Hi guys, and welcome back to Nene Lulu Toys. Today we will be doing, finally, an LOL OMG unboxing video. Dun, dun, dun. Alright, so today it looks like we will be unboxing Royal Bee. Look how cute she is. And now that I've opened this up, I'm going to find the right way to do it, because last time I did not do it the right way. I think you pull from the back. I hope. Nope, I'm going to fix this. Alright, here she is. I'm just going to kind of open it like this. Look at how cute she is. She comes with a blind bag. Let's take her out. Poofy. Alright, I'm going to detach her from this box real quick. Alright, you guys, so here she is out of the box. Her hair is very poofy. And now, let's check out her fashion magazine. So, she is a Scorpio like me. Says, queens don't always have to rule alone. Make some time with your royal BFFs. That's cool. Alright, now onto some of the blind bags. I'm going to open this one first. Seems interesting. I think it is her clothes. I'm like an expert at opening these now. Alright, let's pull that off the top. Oh, look at her pants. Let's get her dressed. I'll stick her feet through. Boom. Ah. You know, her pants are actually kind of hard to get on. Oh, it's because they were sticking to her socks because of the Velcro. Alright, let's pull them up. Don't want her bum showing. Pun intended. Oh, look at her cute little pants. Alright, now. It's like, oh, she broke her wrist. I'm just kidding. Okay, now let's open this thing. Alright, look at that cute design on it. It's like getting a shopping bag. Look at this vest. That's so cute. She has little stingers for her shoulder pads. Alright, let's get this on her as well. Remember, Lulu got this same doll and definitely had trouble putting the jacket on. Like, for real. So, oh, yep, it is pretty hard. I will see you in a second, though. Alright, you guys, so I have her dressed. Look at that cute outfit, and I did a little bun here. I'm going to use her to powder my face. Here we go. Okay, alright, now let's get onto this blind bag for bag. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is, you guys. And in her hands, she looks so stylish. Look at that. So totally adorable. All right, let's set her aside and open, well, she wants to be the star of the show, the rest of these blind bags. All right, set that over there and brush for her hair. Actually, her curls are kind of hard to brush, but just... Okay, now that I've freshened up, you cannot be the star of the show. This is my video, Queen Bee. I can go early. Okay, she's dramatic. That's not me. Alright, so now it's time to open these. I think they're her shoes. It's like opening a Christmas present almost. A box of wrapping paper. Oh, shoes. They're too big for my feet. I mean, too small. Okay, let's put them on her. They're like gel. They look so adorable. Let's open it. Put that there, and then her socks are very sparkly, and they're so cute. Oh, isn't she just so cute? Okay, now we have one last thing before we have to go. This is going to be accessories. Look at these sunglasses. Let's see what else is in here. A necklace. Look at that. And some stunning earrings. Let's get those in. All right. I'm going to make up a voice for her and give her a speech. That never happened. I think these are too big for her ears. There we go. Don't pierce my ears. Too late. There are giant gold loops in your ears. All right, let's put her necklace on. Like that. Or wait, no, that's not a necklace. This is not a necklace. This is for around her hips. Cute. Now her sunglasses. I feel like singing the Mario theme song. Alright, you ready to see her all dressed, super fancy, super cute. Alright, let's see this Royal Bee in action. Hello, I am Royal Bee. Yes, that Royal Bee. The one who saved 7 puppies. The one who gave money to the animal shelter. I'm committed to helping bees as well. They pollinate the crops, even though they can be a menace. I can be one too. I hope you get me to finish your LOL collection. And now I almost have all the LOL OMGs. I think so. Actually, we do. We have all of them. Me and my sister both collected. Neonlicious, Queen Bee, of course, Swag, and Lady Diva. So here's one last look. Strike some poses, Queen Bee. Yes, take it all in. Love my bag. It was made from bee stripes, just like them, actually. And my nails. How extravagant. Alright, I'm going to stop making voices for her. Well, I'm going to go play with her, and yeah. So, I am so glad. This toy review, I give it a definite thumbs up. I love her outfit, so 5 out of 5 stars. And she is just super cute. And bye, guys. I hope you loved this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. Watch all of our others. Suggested, watch the snake one. All right, we will see you soon. Bye. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe to Nulu Toys and tell all your friends and family about it. Bye. And don't forget who you saw today. The 5 out of 5 star Queen Bee.